In Zoom, sending text messages to breakout rooms is available since a long time. But since a few weeks, you can also broadcast your voice directly into each breakout room. Before I show you how it works, let me show you where you can check if it's enabled for your account. I'm on the Zoom homepage, and when I click on My Account, go to Settings on the left, and there I have the point In Meeting Advanced. And here there is the option Broadcast Voice to Breakout Rooms. You also have here a tooltip what's the minimum version where this feature is available. But now let's jump into a meeting. I'm now in a meeting, I have several breakout rooms open, and here you see now, as you know it from before, the option Broadcast. When you click on it, there you have now the option Broadcast Voice. When I click on it, I get this dialog, but even if you have this dialog now, it's still not working. First, you need to click here on this button, and then the icon changes, and then you can speak. Now everything I say will be broadcasted to each breakout room, so the people in the rooms will hear it. When I click again on the icon, it stopped. What you also can do is, if you are in the main room, you can hold the B key and then speak. So you have like a shortcut directly for the broadcast. I press it, and now you see directly the icon which is recording is shown. So everything I directly speak now is again broadcasted to each room. When I release the key, it stops. And that's how easy it is. I often use it to broadcast some status messages or some updates to the room, like information with, hey, don't forget to look at slide 15. Hey everyone, you have 2 minutes left. Hey, please don't forget to decide who will present the results from your breakout group. So I hope it helped you. I wish you all the best in your future meetings. Use the function, broadcast everything, keep the people up to date. If you like this video, please give it a thumb up. And if you don't want to miss any further video from me, subscribe to my channel.